Buying a brand new RV should be the start of an adventure, not a nightmare. But for Darah and her son, what was supposed to be a fresh beginning on the road quickly turned into a dangerous and traumatic experience. After purchasing a 2025 Forest River Surveyor 260 BHLE, the family's dream turned into a hospital visit, and now, the manufacturer is under scrutiny for alleged negligence and known defects. Darah, recently divorced and eager to start anew, was no stranger to RV life. Wanting the best deal, she found the 2025 Surveyor 260 BHLE listed for just under $33,000, far below market value. With the dealer installing a keyless lock and things appearing to line up, she signed the papers and hit the road with her son for a 6-day journey. It should have been smooth sailing, but trouble began before they even got far. Within days, problems started showing. It began with minor cosmetic issues, trimming coming loose and an outdoor galley latch that wouldn't close properly, attributed to a manufacturer installation error. But those issues quickly escalated. Soon, Darah noticed malfunctions with both the hot water heater and the heating system. A visit to a dealership revealed an alarming discovery: the water heater had been installed incorrectly. Still, that was only the beginning of what would become a nightmare. One of the most disturbing red flags appeared when the RV's LP gas and carbon monoxide sensors started triggering alarms every time the gas system was turned on. The family would shut off the gas each time, but the issue persisted, pointing to a deeper problem. They tried everything: resets, reaching out to the dealer, and eventually, contacting Forest River directly. No one had a clear answer. Then came the health symptoms: headaches, flushed cheeks, and dizziness. Initially brushed off, these symptoms eventually sent Darah and her son to the hospital on a doctor's urgent recommendation. The diagnosis? Carbon monoxide poisoning. Darah's blood tests confirmed elevated CO levels, and medical advice was clear: evacuate the RV immediately. As if that weren't enough, deeper investigation revealed a troubling twist. Forest River already had a claim on file for this very unit before Darah even purchased it. The dealership had reportedly sold the trailer at nearly half its normal price, raising serious questions about transparency and ethics. Why was Darah never informed of this prior issue? Frustrated and getting nowhere with the dealer or Forest River, Darah turned to RV advocate Liz Amazing, a respected voice in the RVing community known for exposing shady dealings and helping victims find justice. After Liz's involvement, Forest River's legal team entered the conversation, and the dealer was promptly advised to stop communicating with both Darah and Liz. It's not the first time Forest River has been in hot water. Online RV forums and social media groups have documented similar cases of faulty units, lackluster support, and ongoing mechanical issues. But Darah's story stands out due to the potential life-threatening outcome and the paper trail that suggests prior knowledge of the defects. There are lessons here for all RV buyers. Darah herself admits she rushed the process, skipped a pre-purchase inspection due to budget constraints, and chose the cheapest deal. In hindsight, she strongly recommends working with reputable dealers, avoiding too good to be true pricing, and always investing in a professional inspection no matter how tight your budget is. As Darah and Liz await a response from Forest River, this case serves as a cautionary tale. When buying an RV, you're not just purchasing a vehicle, you're trusting it with your life and your family's safety. And in this case, that trust was shattered before the journey even began.